Okay, guys, good evening, everyone. Please confirm audio clear hai? Is the audio clear? Is the video clear? And I am handsome. Please confirm the third thing. Audio clear, video clear, and I am handsome. If you confirm, I will start the class. If you confirm the three things, I will start the class. Otherwise, I will not start the class. If you confirm the three things, I will start the class. If you confirm the three things, I will start the class. Govind, I will make a video for you soon. ठीक है, बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दू वार्निंग, पार्टी चलेगी टिल 8:30 इवनिंग. 8:30 तक तो पार्टी चलेगी आज. Today you are going to enjoy the class a lot. Guys, there is a small problem. I teach both in English as well as in Hindi. Okay? Guys, every day do one thing. Tell me how many hours have you spent yesterday on gate preparation. Every day at the beginning of the class, tell me in the comments how many hours have you prepared for gate yesterday. You can compare your number of hours with others. Everyone please reply in the chat how many hours have you prepared for gate yesterday, including my class. My class was for 2.5 hours. Beyond my class, how many hours have you prepared? Just write in the chat how many hours have you prepared. 7 to 8. Branch out. 8 hours. 2 hours. 8 hours. 6 to 7 hours. 8 to 10 hours. No one has prepared for 12 hours, right? No one has prepared for 12 hours. Open the Telegram channel. So yesterday we were talking about regular languages. So yesterday we were talking about regular languages. And today also we will talk about regular languages. Today also we will talk about regular languages. Okay. I'll give you a question, you give me an answer. Okay. Sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to set of all words such that W contains exactly one A. W contains exactly one A. B's can be any number, but W contains exactly one A. B's can be any number, but W contains exactly one A. W contains exactly one A. Open the Telegram channel, write the regular expression, do the DFA and do the NFA. Regular expression, DFA, NFA. Open the Telegram channel, everyone. Everyone open the Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel is RBR Sir PW, and my Telegram channel is RBR Sir PW. Open the Telegram channel and give the answer for this. Regular expression, DFA and NFA. Regular expression and DFA and NFA. Chandu, that is a good decision. Open the Telegram channel and write your answers there. Open the Telegram channel and write your answers there. Soham, very good. Prashant, very good. Moni has given this answer. Moni has given this answer. If I get 1A, I will accept any number of B's. But if I get a B in the beginning, I will kill it. But if I get a B in the beginning, I will kill it. Moni, what is the problem in your answer? You are killing all the strings starting with B. There can be strings which are starting with B, which may contain a, hai na? There can be a string like this, BAB. It is starting with B, containing exactly one B, but you are killing it. So, Moni, your answer is not right. And almost all of you have given the right answer. Almost all of you have given the right answer. Pradeep has given this. Pradeep has given A followed by B, right? So what is the language accepted by this? The language accepted is AB star. A is always in the beginning, okay? So the language need not have A always in the beginning, Pradeep. The language need not have always A in the beginning. Okay. So who is this? Banu. Banu has given this answer. Banu has given this answer. He has not given anything on the transition. A, B, A, accepted, and then B, I think Banu has given this. Now what is this language? This language accepts epsilon. Whenever initial state becomes final state, epsilon will come into the language automatically. Whenever initial state becomes final state, epsilon will come. But this language does not contain epsilon, isn't it? But this language does not contain epsilon. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, let me see any more answers which are wrong. Amit has given the answer as A comma B. Amit has given this answer. What is this? Set of all strings starting with A. Hai na? Set of all strings starting with A. After seeing one A, you are accepting any number of A's and B's. Right? Very good. Regular expression. Someone has given regular. Anuruddha. Can you give me regular expression? Can you give me regular expression first? Then we will see what is the DFA and NFA. Can you give me regular expression first? Can you give me regular expression first? What is the regular expression? You can write in the comments here, or you can give it in the Telegram channel. You can write in the comments, or you can give it in the Telegram channel. Govind, GATE is not required to crack Mang companies, but your knowledge in computer science will increase. Govind, why are you getting a different symbol? Oh, your name is with a different symbol, is it? What is number 1, Govind? So there should only be one A. Hana, what will be the language? If you write down the language, A is in the language, BA is in the language, AB is in the language, BAB is in the language, BBAB is in the language, BBABB is in the language, right? So we have only one A in all these strings. What can be the regular expression? Any number of B's followed by A followed by any number of B's. This is the regular expression. This is the regular expression. This is the regular expression. Okay. Okay. Now, how do we do the DFA? How do we do the DFA? Right. So one easy way is, you already have the regular expression, right? Convert it into, so there are many ways to construct. One way is take the smallest string and construct. You have to accept A. Okay, I accepted A. Any number of B's can come in the beginning. Okay. After AA, any number of B's can come. Is this a DFA? This is not a DFA because it is accepting single A, that is fine. But then for this state, I have said what happens on A and what happens on B. But for this state, I didn't specify what happens on A. Guys, what happens if I get a here? Already I have seen 1A. If I get a, it will be 2 A's, hai na? And then if I get any number of A comma B's, I should kill it. 1A is accepted. Above 1, any number of A's come, I am going to kill it. I am going to kill them all, hai na? Any number of B's can come. After that, 1A can come. Any number of B's can come. After that, if a comes, that is 2 A's or more A's, I am going to kill them. And this is the dead state, है ना? This is the dead state, ठीक है? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ठीक है? Understood this? Now this is the minimal DFA. You may ask me, sir, why is it minimal DFA? What is the proof? I will give the proof at the end of regular languages. Now trust me, मेरे ऊपर अंधविश्वास करो. Blindly trust me that this is the minimal DFA and I will tell you what is minimal NFA. Whenever there is a dead state, just delete it. That will become minimal NFA. So there is a dead state, delete it. That will become minimal NFA. That will become minimal NFA. Okay? That will become minimal NFA. Okay? Okay, open the Telegram channel. I'm going to give you the next question. Open the Telegram channel. Sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to set of all strings such that W contains, set of all strings such that W contains at most 1A. At most 1A. At most 1A matlab, what is the at most 1A? It means maximum you can have 1A. You can have 0 A's or you can have 1A, which means epsilon is in the language, B is in the language, BB is in the language, BBB is in the language because they contain 0 A's. Otherwise, A is in the language, AB is in the language, BA is in the language, so on. है ना? Exactly 1A. Okay, open the Telegram channel and answer the question. Open the Telegram channel and answer this question. Open the Telegram channel and answer this question. Habiram, very good. Kumaraswamy, very good. Aniruddha, very good. Soham, very good. Prashant, very good. Harsh, very good. Harsh, very good. Likita, your answer is little bit different. Likita has answered this. Likita's answer is, she is accepting any number of B's, and then if a comes, she is not accepting it. She is not accepting it. And then when a B comes, when a comes, she is not accepting this. What is the problem in this finite automata? The problem in this finite automata is epsilon is accepted, but A is not accepted. But A is in the language, isn't it? Even you have to go for 1A, right? Likita, I think you forgot to make Q1 as the final state. Okay? Lokesh, very good. Can someone give the regular expression? गौतम वेरी गुड, फोटो ठीक से। एंड Harish has given Hareshwar, Hari, Hari Ishwar. Hari Ishwar has given this. Any number of b's followed by a followed by any number of b's. Right. So this is right, but this is a minimal NFA, not a minimal DFA. This is right. Answer is right. Answer is right. Okay. Answer is right. Shrenawali, answer is right. Ritisha, answer is right. Teja, answer is right. Almost everyone has given right answer. Asfaq, answer is right. Okay, almost everyone has given right answer. Let me give you the answer for this. Can someone give the regular expression in the comments? Can someone give the regular expression in the comments? Can someone give the regular expression in the comments? At most 1a. At most 1a means what? 0 is a's can come or 1a can come. At most 1a means 0 a's can come or 1a can come. Okay? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Epsilon is in the language, only b's are in the language, and then b star followed by a b star, exactly 1a in the language. But if you observe it, epsilon is already a part of b star. B star contains epsilon, so you can delete b star. You can write it as b star plus b star a b star. Even if you want to simplify it, you can pull out b star as common. You can write it as epsilon plus a b star. Okay, if you want to pull it out, that's also fine. Okay, now what is the DFA? You can get it. One thing for sure, I am telling you a secret, don't tell anyone. Okay, I am telling you a secret, don't tell anyone. Whenever epsilon is in the language, initial state will be final state. Telling you a secret, don't tell anyone. Okay, silently write in the book what? Whenever epsilon is in the language, initial state will be final state in DFA and NFA. Okay? So epsilon is in the language, initial state is going to be the final state. Any number of b's you are going to accept. Any number of b's you are going to accept, and then a single a you are going to accept. Any number of b's you are going to accept. After that, if a comes, that is going to become 2 a's, you are not going to accept it, you are going to kill it. 0 a's are accepted, 1 a is accepted, 2 or more a's are rejected. What is this, guys? This is minimal DFA. है ना? Now if I remove the dead state, this is going to become minimal NFA. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ठीक है? Now the next question is going to be very very interesting. ठीक है? टेलीग्राम को ओपन करके रखना. दरवाजे को गंडी मारो, कोई ना बच के जाने पाए. RBR को समझाओ, म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना पाए. टकर टकर जो फील करे, जो जाके 2 रेड बुल गटक ले. जिसको डांस नहीं आता है, जाके अपना बैस चराए. Now the party is going to start. Okay, ready? 1 2 3, let's start the party. ठीक है? So L equal to sigma equal to a comma b, and the language is set of all strings w such that w contains at least one a. There should be at least one a. W contains at least one a. W contains at least one A. ठीक है. मेरा क्लास में मजा नहीं आएगा तो कहीं भी मजा नहीं आएगा पुष्पेंद्रा. ठीक है. If my class is not interactive and fun, you will not have this fun anywhere else. At most, at least one A. Language should contain at least one A. Language should contain at least one A. Very good, Aniruddha. Go for regular expression. Very good, Likshi. Go with regular expression. Very good, Gautam. Go with regular expression. Very good, Prashant. Harsh, very good. Likita, very good. Likita, what you have done is you have made both the final states, both the states as final states. What Likita has given is she has done this on A and on A and on A comma B. Hana, this is NFA because we are going to two states. This is NFA first point. Second point is this is A star A followed by A plus B star. Hana, this is not what we wanted. Okay? So this is not what we wanted. Humble guy, very good. Humble guy, I think there is a small mistake there. I will correct it. There is a small mistake there. I will correct it. Okay. So I will explain. Likita, you have done two states as final states. So what is the language? At least one A means A should be there, BA should be there, AB should be there, BBA should be there, at least one A should be there, and then two A's can be there, ABA can be there, BAA can be there, AAB can be there, so on, and then three A's can be there. A's can be any number. A's can be any number. Hannah, there can be any number of A's, right? So let us use the DFA. DFA. I have to accept a. Okay. Smallest string is A. I will accept a. Okay. There is no epsilon in the language. I am telling you a secret. When there is no epsilon in the language, initial state will not become the final state. Okay. When epsilon is not there in the language, initial state will not become the final state. Okay. Okay. So when you are seeing A, you are accepting it. Initially, let any number of B's come. I will wait for a. After seeing a, I got at least one A. Then any number of A comma B's I will accept. Any number of A comma B's I will accept. Okay. Now I will tell you one more secret. When the language is exactly dead state will come. Matlab, see this. Exactly 1A, at most 1A, at least 1A. Here there will be dead state. Why? Because we want exactly 1A. If I get 2A's, I have to kill it. Here there will be dead state. Why? Because we want at most 1A. If I get more than 1A, I have to kill it. At least 1A में there will be no dead state. Why? Because there is no limit on number of A's. You can accept any number of A's. So there will be no dead state. Many people have done a mistake by putting a dead state. That is a mistake. That is a mistake. Okay. Now since there is no dead state, actually this is minimal DFA. This is minimal DFA. Since there is no dead state, minimal NFA is also going to be the same. Minimal NFA is also going to be the same. Minimal DFA and NFA is going to be same, right? Now let's try to write the regular expressions for this. Okay, let's try to write the regular expressions for this. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, टे टेड़े टे टेड़े टे टेड़े टे टे टे, दरवाजे को घंटी मारो कोई न बाहर, कोई भी बच के जाने पाए, आरबीआर को समझाओ म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना पाए। अभी मजा आएगा भाई ये क्वेश्चन में, ये क्वेश्चन तो आप भूल नहीं पाएंगे। अभी मैं डिराइव करता हूं रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन को, ठीक है, रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन को अभी मैं डिराइव करता हूं, देखना कैसे डिराइव करता हूं, ठीक है। तो ये लैंग्वेज में ना एक स्ट्रिंग को ले लो, बहुत बड़ा सा स्ट्रिंग को ले लो जो एटलीस्ट 1 ये है। ये लैंग्वेज में मैंने बहुत बड़ा सा स्ट्रिंग लिया जिसमें एटलीस्ट 1 ये है जिसमें एटलीस्ट 1 ये है, ठीक है। तो जिसमें एटलीस्ट 1 ये है, ठीक है। My throat is giving me some problem. I'll get some hot water. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'm coming back. Okay. Hot water bottle lo posista. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's take a very big string. Okay. Let's take a very big string. Okay. Now in this big string there can be any number of A's. There will be at least 1 A. In this big string there will be at least 1 A, है ना? Now I will catch the first A. This is called RBR method. Okay. This method is called RBR method. Okay. I named it RBR method because I invented it. Okay. So when you have a very big string, take the first A. Just catch the first A. Before the first A, there can be any number of B's. Why? Since this is the first A, there can be only B's before it, or there need not be anything. The string may be starting with a A, right? Therefore, here there will be B star. After the first A, there can be anything. After the first A, there can be anything. Therefore, what is the regular expression? Therefore, what is the regular expression? The regular expression is B star A plus B star, B star A plus B star. Now what I will do is, I will take the very big string and I will catch the last A. I will catch the last A. I will catch the last A. Then what happens? After the last A, there cannot be any A's. There will be either B's or nothing. That is why it is B star. And here it is going to be A plus B star. And here it is going to be A plus B star. Isn't it? So there can be any number of B's and before it there can be any number of A's or B's. So what will be the regular expression for this? The regular expression for this is A plus B star followed by A followed by a B star. A plus B star followed by A followed by a B star. A plus B star followed by A followed by a B star. This is also an answer. This is also an answer. Now what I will do is, I will take a very big string and then I will catch hold of some A. It need not be beginning, it need not be ending. I will catch hold of some A. There can be anything before it, which means there can be anything before it and there can be anything after it. So what is the regular expression I got for this? So what is the regular expression I got for this? The regular expression I got for this is A plus, the regular expression I got for this is A plus B star followed by A followed by A plus B star. Alright. Now for all these regular expressions I can write NFA. For all these regular expressions I can write NFA, right? See this, for this one B star A plus B star, I can draw a NFA like this. B star A plus B star, I can draw a NFA like this. For this one A plus B star A B star, I can draw the NFA like this. A comma B A B star. And for this one A plus B star followed by A plus B star, I can draw the NFA like this. A comma B followed by A followed by A comma B star, A comma B, right? I got 3 NFAs. है ना? Out of all these 3 NFAs, this is a DFA. This is a NFA and this is a NFA, right? This is both DFA and NFA, right? So this one is minimal DFA and this one is minimal NFA as well, and this one is minimal NFA and this one is minimal NFA. मजा आ गया? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. बाय. TOC को आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बना के ही जाऊंगा. आई विल मेक TOC अवर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, देन ओनली आई विल लीव टीचिंग. ओके, एंड इफ आई डोंट मेक TOC अवर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, आई विल लीव टीचिंग. चैलेंज है, एक्सेप्टेड. Challenge is accepted. Okay, challenge is accepted. Okay guys, let's do the next question. Sigma equal to A comma B. Sigma equal to A comma B. Language equal to W such that W contains exactly 2 A's. 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 Open the Telegram channel. Write down your answers. Exactly 2 A's. Exactly 2 A's. W contains exactly 2 A's. What happened? No one is writing. Very good, Soham. Very good, Prashant. Pradeep, you have to have B's. Pradeep is drawing like this. A is accepted. Any number of B's are accepted. And then A, he is killing it. ठीक है? What is the problem in this? There can be any number of B's in the beginning also, right? There can be any number of B's in the beginning also. Okay. Aditya, very good. Likita, that is a NFA, not DFA, right? That is a NFA. Okay. Jayesh, very good. Jiva, very good. Mahesh, very good. Teja, that is a NFA. That is a NFA. Teja has written like this. Teja's answer is, Teja has written like this. Any number of B's may come. A can come. And then any number of B's can come. And then A can come. And then accepting it. And then A comma B. So what happens here is, you are accepting for 2 A's, and after you get the 2 A's, any number of A's is accepted. But what is the question? Exactly 2 A's, hai na? This one is accepting 2 A's. After 2 A's, even if any number of A's are coming, it is accepting, right? So this is not the right answer. Teja, this is not the right answer, okay? Prithvi Gupta, very good. Asfak, very good. Humble guy, very good. Asfak has answered both the answers. चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और अस्का व्हाट इज हिज नेम और असफक की आंसर को कोई शक नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? तो वेरी गुड गाइस. अनिरुद्धा, वेरी गुड. कुमारस्वामी, वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड गाइस, ठीक है? तो actually guys, I'm seeing your answers in the Telegram channel and I will reply to them. Actually, I want to talk to you about something. Right? So, okay, all of you have almost answered it right. Okay? CN is not sufficient. You have to take a paid batch for CN. For TOC, this course will be sufficient. Okay? So L equal to W such that W contains exactly 2 A's. Exactly 2 A's होना चाहिए, ठीक है? तो you have to accept 2 A's, है ना? You have to accept 2 A's. How are you going to accept 2 A's? If you get a 1 A, second A, you accept it. Any number of B's can come in the beginning. Any number of B's can come in between. Any number of B's can come after 2 A's, you accept it. But if you get the third A, you kill it. If you get the third A, you kill it. If you get the third A, you kill it. If you get the third A, you kill it. If you get the third A, you kill it. Okay? If you get the third A, you kill it. What is this? This is minimal DFA. What is the minimal NFA, guys? Minimal NFA means you have to delete the dead state. Okay, I have deleted the dead state. Okay, that is the minimal NFA. Fine. What is the regular expression for exactly 2 A's? B star A, B star A, B star. There are exactly 2 A's. Before the first A, there can be any number of B's. Between 2 A's, there can be any number of B's. After the last A, there can be any number of B's, right? So how can you write it? In NFA, B star followed by A, followed by a B star, followed by a followed by a B star. This is the NFA. For this regular expression, I have directly written the NFA. You can design any way you want. If you want to design minimal DFA first, do it. Convert it into minimal NFA, or do the regular expression first, convert it into minimal NFA. And from the minimal NFA, you can convert it to minimal DFA. Okay? Now, if you look at NFA, this NFA is saying that, hey, I don't have multiple edges. एक बात, एक सीक्रेट बताता हूं, ध्यान से सुनना. एक सीक्रेट बताता हूं, ध्यान से सुनना. जब भी एनएफए में मल्टीपल एडजस्ट होता है, उसको डीएफए में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते डायरेक्टली. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दिस? इफ ए एनएफए हैज multiple edges like this, if a NFA has multiple edges like this, you cannot directly convert it into DFA. You need an algorithm. Lekin this DFA, this NFA is saying that I don't have multiple edges. Please convert me to DFA. What should you do? Only write the missing edges to the dead state. Add a dead state. What are the missing edges? Here A and B it is done. Here A and B it is done. Here B it is done. But for A it is not done. Just add it. Just add it. Okay. This NFA only, for this NFA only, this method will work. Right. Whenever there are multiple edges, you can't do anything. Right. Like this. Whenever you have multiple edges, you need to use the algorithm. But this NFA is clearly saying that, bhai mujhe please DFA banao. Please DFA banao. Please make me a DFA. So I made it into DFA. You can play with them. Regular expression, NFA, DFA, convert them. Convert RE to finite automata, RE to NFA, RE to DFA, DFA to NFA, NFA to DFA, right? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. जिसको डांस नहीं करनी है जाके अपना बैस चराए. ठीक है? My teaching will be like music and your brains will dance. Okay? Dance with me. जी बर के नाच ले बेबी, नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो आरबीआर करेगा हैंडल. सिग्मा इक्वल टू ए कामा बी. Sigma equal to a comma b. Now we will do L equal to W such that W contains at most 2 A's. W contains at most 2 A's. At most 2 A's. W contains at most 2 A's. W contains at most 2 A's. Regular expression तो दे दिया ना कृति. What is regular expression? This is regular expression. B star A, B star A, B star is the regular expression. Right? At most 2 A's. फटाफट टेलीग्राम में आंसर डाल देना. Please answer in the telegram right away. Answer in the telegram right away. Guys, have you heard about Shubhanshu Shukla? Have you heard about Shubhanshu Shukla? He is an alumni of IASC. I am today so proud to say that I am an IASCN. An alumni of IASC has now gone to International Space Station. Shubhanshu Shukla is now in International Space Station. He is from a very small place in Lucknow. He worked very hard. He went to NDA and trained there in BSc, and after that he joined Air Force and he became a fighter pilot, and then he joined IISc and he did his masters from IISc in aerospace, and now he is in International Space Station. Right from his childhood, his dream was to go to space station, International Space Station. His dream was to go into the space. He worked hard. He dreamt very big. Coming from a small place, his dream was very big. His dream was so big that he became one of the stars. Literally the stars. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan stars nahi hai. They are not the stars. This guy, Subhanshu Shukla, alumni of IISc, is now in space. He is one of the stars. He is among the stars. Okay, I am very proud to say. Even if you have a very big dream, don't be scared. Just keep working. He said that dream big and work towards your dream, and you will definitely achieve it. Okay, hats off to Subhanshu Shukla. Okay guys, W such that W contains at most 2 A's. Okay, टेलीग्राम में डाल देना आंसर फटाफट. टेलीग्राम में डाल देना आंसर फटाफट. वेरी गुड. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन सही किया है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन सही किया है. This guy Aniruddha has given answer like this. Aniruddha's answer is B, A, B, A, B. He left it here. The problem is this is NFA, not a DFA, right? This is NFA, not a DFA. Okay, let's design the DFA for this. At most 2 A's. What does it mean? What does the language contain? 0 A's, which means epsilon, B, BB, BBB, 0 A's, or 1 A, which means A, BA, AB, BAB, so on, or it can contain 2 A's, है ना? A, B, so on, right? If you try to write the regular expression, you can write it, but let's do the DFA first. 0 number of A's, any number of B's can come, 0 number of A's. 1A, any number of B's can come, 0 number of A's are accepted, 1A is accepted. After 1A, any number of B's can come. Before 1A, any number of B's can come. And the second A has to be accepted because at most 2 A's has to be accepted, and any number of B's can come. Any number of B's can come. And after 2 A's, if I get one more A, after 2 A's, if I get one more A, I am going to kill it. I am going to kill it. Secret. I told you a secret. What is the secret? Exactly and at most you will get dead states. This is at most. Whenever you see exactly or whenever you see at most, you will get a dead state. Okay, you will get a dead state because we have a limit here. We have to accept only till 2 A's. You cannot accept 3 A's or more, hai na? So there is a limit here. There is a limit here, right? There is a limit. So this DFA accepts at most 2 A's. This is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA, right? Now what is the minimal NFA, guys? What is the minimal NFA, guys? Minimal NFA, you can discard it. That will become minimal NFA. What is the regular expression? Epsilon can be there, only B's can be there, 0 A's, or 1A can be there, 1A can be there, or 2 A's can be there, B star A, B star A, B star. 2 A's can be there. 2 A's can be there. Actually, epsilon is a part of B star. You can ignore epsilon, and this is going to be the regular expression. This is going to be the regular expression. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Okay, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Who can answer this question? Who can answer this question? At least 2 A's. Okay, Who can answer this question? Notes is already in your app. See, in order to get the notes, of the class, go to Physics Wallah app. In the Physics Wallah app, there is something called free courses. In the free courses, you go to TOC and you will get all the lectures plus notes. Free courses is there where you will get all the lectures and notes. Okay, fine. Now let's do the next question. Okay, next question is going to be little bit big. Let's take a break for 3 minutes. Next question is going to be little bit big. We will come back in 3 minutes and we will solve a super question. You will be loving it. You will love the question. The way I analyze it, you will love it. Don't go anywhere. Stay back. I will be back in 3 minutes. Okay? I'll be back in 3 minutes. I will do one more CN in English. You can follow English CN, okay? And for computer networks, please do register for the full course in PW. Anyway, the course is going to be same. The course that I'm going to do on YouTube in English for computer networks is going to be same, okay? The course that I'm going to do for computer networks is going to be same. Okay, guys. Do this one. I don't want DFA and NFA. That is very easy to give. Sigma equal to A comma B. Language equal to W such that number of A's in W is at least 2. Number of A's in W is at least 2. You can easily use the DFA, you can easily use the NFA, but I am interested in getting the regular expression. Yeah, Aditya, I will teach compiler design on Telegram YouTube channel. I will teach computer networks, I will teach compiler design, I will teach discrete mathematics, DBMS, digital. So there are a lot of courses going to come on YouTube. Stay tuned. Whatever course you ask, we will do it. Okay, just write in the comments that you need this course. Go to each and every video of mine and write down what course you want from me. We will read the comments and we will start the course. Okay, your wish is our command. Genie हूं आपके लिए. I am the genie of Aladdin and you are the Aladdin. You ask me, I will do it. Number of A's is at least 2. Just tell me what is it. Number of A's is at least 2. DFA and NFA तो 10th class student भी बना देगा. Even a 10th class student will do DFA and NFA. What I am interested is how can you do the regular expression. What I am interested is how can you do the regular expression. That is what I am interested in. How can you do the regular expression? Okay. Sir, I used to read your book on compiler to compiler development. Guys, I have a book on compilers. I wrote a book on compiler design textbook, and this book is going to come soon in the Physics Wallah store. This is the book. This is the textbook that I have written on compiler design. This textbook will contain all solved solutions. You can design a C compiler using this book. This is the best book in the world. Even I can beat 𝐂𝐬𝐬𝐿 Ravi Sethi. This is my compiler textbook, which will be available in PW store very soon. So just wait, and when the book is released, buy the book. This will be sufficient for GATE, more than GATE. Any interviews, any programming, anything in compilers, this book is going to be sufficient. Okay, this is going to come on Physics Wallah very soon. Okay. Okay, guys. Number of A's is at least 2. How are you going to do this? NFA and DFA though, it is very easy. है ना? NFA and DFA is very easy. So you have to accept at least 2 A's. Okay, 2 A's, accept it. And after 2 A's, any number of A's or B's come, you accept it. Initially, any number of B's may come. And in between 2 A's, any number of B's may come. Hana, this is over. This is minimal DFA. What is this? This is minimal DFA. And what is this? This is minimal NFA as well. This is minimal DFA and this is minimal NFA as well. This is minimal DFA and this is minimal NFA as well. Right? Yeah, I will do the course on discrete mathematics. Ultimate discrete mathematics is going to come. Ultimate discrete mathematics is going to come this year. I am going to launch the course Ultimate Discrete Mathematics. Don't worry, discrete mathematics, I will make it very easy. Okay. So guys, this is the minimal NFA and minimal DFA. Can someone tell me what is the regular expression? Can someone tell me what is the regular expression? Okay. So I will take a very big string which will have at least 2 A's. Now I will catch the first A. It has, what is this string? The string containing at least 2 A's. I will catch the first A and I will catch the last A. I will catch the first A and I will catch the last A. What will be here? Only B's will be here. What will be here? Only B's will be here. What will be in between? There can be anything in between, hai na? So what is the regular expression you got? You got b star a plus b whole star and then b star, isn't it? This is called RBR method. This is called RBR method. I invented it. Okay, RBR method. And now I will catch the first A. I will catch the first A and I will catch some A, not the last A, some A. So what will be here? Only B's will be here. What will be here? Some A means there can be anything in between and there can be anything after it. So what is the regular expression you got, guys? What is regular expression you got? You got B star A plus B star followed by A, B star followed by A, followed by A plus B star, followed by A, followed by A plus B star. Otherwise, I will take the big string and I will catch hold of some A. I will take the big string and I will catch hold of some A. Okay. Now before this there can be anything A plus B star, and between two A's there can be anything A plus B star, and after the last A there can be anything A plus B star. What is the regular expression you got, guys? Regular expression is A plus B star followed by A followed by A plus B star followed by A followed by A plus B star. Like this you will get many regular expressions. How many regular expressions will you get? How many regular expressions will you get? Ultimate compiler design is going to come. Ultimate compiler design is going to come. Ultimate compiler design is going to come. Just wait for it. Okay. Lydia, thank you so much for calling me God of Computer Science. See, I don't know whether I deserve it or not, but my students call me God of Computer Science. Sometimes I feel guilty, sometimes I feel very stressed. When there is lot of expectation on me, when people are calling me God of Computer Science, I have to live up to that expectation. That is why I work hard every day to see that I really deserve that position. I really don't deserve that position, but as people call me God of Computer Science, I work hard every day to see that I meet your expectation. And thank you so much for calling me God of Computer Science. Okay, so let's see this, guys. There can be a there have to be two A's, hai na? And in between, before that, after that, between, there can be anything. There can be either B star or there can be A plus B star. That is what we have seen here, right? There is either B star or there is either A plus B star. There is either A plus B star or B star, hai na? So for here also there will be B star or there will be A plus B star. Here also there will be B star or there will be A plus B star, right? So there are three places and you have to fill it with two items. So how many regular expressions do you get, guys? There are three blank places which you are going to fill with two items. How many regular expressions do you get? How many regular expressions do you get? How many regular expressions do you get? There are three places and we are substituting with two values. How many regular expressions do you get? How many regular expressions do you get? Yes, Abhiram, you can construct your own compiler using my book. How many regular expressions do you get? Two chances here, two chances here, two chances here. Totally you will get 8 regular expressions, but you have to subtract 1. You should not allow one regular expression. You should not allow one regular expression. Can someone tell me what is the regular expression that is not allowed? We are getting 8 regular expressions, very good. We are getting 8 regular expressions, very good. But we are not going to allow one regular expression. Can someone tell me what is that one regular expression we are not going to allow? What is that one regular expression we are not going to allow? What is that one regular expression we are not going to allow? So, out of all these 8 regular expressions, one regular expression will be B star A, B star A, B star. Who is this? Abhiram. Very good, Abhiram. B star A, B star A, B star. This is the language for exactly 2 A's, not at least 2 A's. This is the language for exactly 2 A's, which means out of all the 8 regular expressions, subtract 1. Out of all the 8 regular expressions, you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 1. Otherwise, this regular expression will give you exactly 2 number of A's. This regular expression will give you exactly 2 A's. Okay. Do this question. Sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to W such that number of A's in W is even. Number of A's in W is even. Sir, how many regular expressions can a language have? Infinite. Given a language, there can be any number of regular expressions. Given a language, there can be any number of regular expressions. And given a language, let us say regular language, given a regular language, there can be any number of DFAs. There can be any number of DFAs. Given a regular language, there can be any number of DFAs. And given a regular language, there can be any number of NFAs. There can be any number of NFAs. There can be any number of NFAs. है ना? But then एक सीक्रेट बताता हूं, बुक में चुपचाप लिख लेना, किसी को मत दिखाना. सीक्रेट ये है कि minimal DFA is always unique. Minimal DFA is always unique. Minimal DFA is always unique. Always unique. इसका मतलब क्या है? If I do the minimal DFA and if you do the minimal DFA, if Shah Rukh Khan does the minimal DFA, if Hrithik Roshan does the minimal DFA, Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan, RBR and you, we all will get the same minimal DFA. But then I will tell you one more secret, don't tell to anyone. Minimal NFA is not unique. Minimal NFA is not unique. Minimal NFA is not unique. What does this mean? Sometimes it so happens that I will get a minimal NFA, Shah Rukh Khan will get a minimal NFA differently, Salman Khan will get a minimal NFA differently, and you will get a minimal NFA differently. Remember this, okay? Secrets hai. These are all secrets. Don't tell to anyone, okay? Write down silently in your notes, ठीक है? Okay, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. तो क्या है? नंबर ऑफ एस इन डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू इवन. टेलीग्राम चैनल में फटाफट आंसर डाल देना. राइट द आंसर इन टेलीग्राम चैनल. Write the answer in Telegram channel. It is very simple question. I don't think that you have to write it. It is very, very simple. It is very simple. Right. तो number of A's, language क्या होगा? What will be the language? Epsilon will be in the language. 2 A's will be in the language. Epsilon will be in the language. AA will be in the language. Even number of A's, right? BAA will be in the language. ABA will be in the language. AAB will be in the language. नहीं तो AA will be in the language. So on, right? Right? So epsilon is in the language secret. Remember the secret. Whenever epsilon is in the language, initial state is going to be final state. Okay, initial state will be final state. Okay, now any number of A's you get, if I get 1A, that is 1A. If I get 2A's, that is 2A's, right? Any number of B's, I will be here. Right? What does this mean? 0A's, 1A, 2A's, 3A, 4A's, 5A, 6A, 7A. We are not counting the B's. So this is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA, right? And this is the minimal NFA as well. This is both minimal DFA and both minimal NFA, right? Now what is the regular expression? Regular expression can be only B's can come which have zero number of A's. Naito, you take exactly two A's. You take exactly two A's. And then put a star. You repeat 2A's any number of times, you are going to get even number of A's, or zero number of A's is B star, or there is one more regular expression which I will tell you later. The other regular expression is B plus A B A star, B plus A B star A, B plus A B star A star. Okay, I will explain you here only. See this. You may not be able to understand it. If you don't understand it, forget it. See this. What is this? So there is a final state and there is a loop on B, right? Now there is a loop like this. A followed by any number of B's, which means B star followed by A is going back. What does that mean? There is a loop on final state. And then A followed by any number of B's, B star followed by A is there, right? So what can I write it as? I can write it as B, and then I can write it as A B star A. Now what can I write these two? These two I can combinedly write as B plus AB star A whole star, right? From the finite automata, I got the regular expression, and this is also a valid regular expression. Both the regular expressions are valid, and this DFA is also a NFA, and this DFA is also a NFA. Got it? And this DFA is also a NFA. Okay. So now you do odd number of A's. Now you do odd number of A's. I will write the entire question. Sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to set of all strings W such that number of A's in W is equal to odd. Number of A's in W is equal to odd. Number of A's in W is equal to odd. Break for 2 minutes. Okay. I will give you break for 2 minutes. 2 minutes का break ले लो and do this question. Okay. Take break for 2 minutes. If you want break, you can ask me. Okay. I am not too strict about it. If you want break, you can ask me. Okay. Now, what is this king? There is a symbol called this crown symbol is coming. What is this crown symbol? What is this crown symbol? ओ टॉप फैंस, अच्छा टॉप फैंस, ओके. So Aniruddha is the top fan. Pushpendra is the top fan. Okay. Take break for 2 minutes and then we will continue. Okay. Take break for 2 minutes and then we'll continue. बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दूं वार्निंग, पार्टी चलेगी टिल 8:30 इवनिंग. ठीक है, 8:30 इवनिंग तक पार्टी चलेगी. आपको चाहिए तो 2-3 मिनट का ब्रेक दे सकता हूं, इससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा. आपको फोकस करना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है, आपको फोकस करना ही पड़ेगा. अभी ये देखते हैं नंबर ऑफ एस इज ऑड. कैसे करना है? 1a is odd number of a's, 2a's is even number of a's. तो इधर क्या आएगा? 0a's, 2a's, 3, 4a's, 6a's आएगा. इधर क्या आएगा? What will you get here? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, right? And B's we are not counting, so don't count B's. Don't count the number of B's, okay? For two different languages, regular expression will not be same, okay? For two regular languages, so now let's do for this question. What about the regular expression for this? Regular expression. What about the regular expression for this grammar? What about the regular expression for this grammar? We already know even, right? We already know even. Even को एक ये add कर देना, odd हो जाएगा. If you take the even regular expression and if you add a, not add, concatenate a, then it will become odd number, isn't it? Now, what is the regular expression for even number of a's? We have already seen it. B star plus B star A B star A B star whole star. This is the regular expression for even number of a's. Now you append a, it will become odd number of a's. But the only problem is this is always ending with a. Sometimes this string may end with a B also. That is why you put a B star. Otherwise, what is the other expression? Write like this: B star even number of a's. B star A, B star A, B star. This is even number of a's. This is even number of a's. Now you put a in the beginning, that will become odd number of a's. But only problem is it is always starting with a. It can also start with a B. So you add a B star. Otherwise, I have given you one more regular expression for even number of a's. What was one more regular expression? B plus A B star A whole star. This is even number of a's. This is even number of a's. Add a at the ending, but it will always end with a. So add a B star so that it may sometimes end with a B. Otherwise, what is the one more expression? B plus A B star A. This is even number of a's. Add a, it will become odd number of a's. And before that you add a B star. Before that you add a B star. This is right, this is right, this is right, this is right. I am giving you all possible regular expressions which are simple. There can be even more regular expressions possible. Don't worry about them. Okay. Whatever are standard, I am giving you all of those. Okay. Now I will give you one question. If you answer that question, you will be in top 100. I will give you one question. Now I will give you one question. If you answer that question, you will be in top 100. Challenge accepted? Will you accept the challenge? I will give you one question. If you answer that question, you will be in top 100. Will you accept the challenge? Will you accept the challenge? Don't worry, with practice everything will be simple, okay? With practice everything will be simple. You have to revise. So we can convert this DFA to RE, but only problem is, okay, someone has asked me to convert this DFA to RE. That is not going to be very simple. That is going to be a little bit tricky. We'll do it later, okay? I will do it later. There is an algorithm called state elimination method, which we will see later, using which I will convert this into a DFA. Okay? Ram, I will do it, but I have to teach you state elimination method. Thoda sa, let's take some time. I will do it. Don't worry, I will do it. Don't worry, I will do it. Okay? Regular expressions will become very easy for you. Don't worry. So, are you okay for the challenge? I have given you a challenge that you will not be able to answer this question. Are you willing to take the challenge? Are you willing to take the challenge? So, Let's see this. What is the language accepted by this machine? What is the language accepted by this machine? Can someone answer this? Can someone answer this? You know why people don't get first rank or below 100 ranks? Because they easily give up. Yesterday 250 people were there in the live class. Today only 125 people are there in the live class. Half of the people have given up. Listen to me one thing. One thing. Carefully listen to me one thing. Pain is temporary. Giving up is permanent. You will get difficult questions. You will get pain. But remember me, pain is temporary. Giving up is permanent. Always remember that. Okay? Can someone tell me what is the answer for this question? I will answer it in RBR method. You will not find this method anywhere in any books. RBR methods are the methods invented by RBR. I will answer this in 2 seconds. I will answer this in 2 seconds. First I will explain you, then I will answer this in 2 seconds. Challenge accepted, eh? Okay. So so what is this machine called? This, whenever you see a machine like this, a symmetric machine, this is called grid machine. This is called grid machine. How to analyze it? Draw the lines. Okay, all of you just see this. Draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. In this line, there are two states A and B. In this line, there are two states A and B. Now, A's are sometimes even, sometimes odd. A's are sometimes even, sometimes odd. But if you look at B's, B's are always, B's are always, B's are always odd. B's are always even. है ना? 0B, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B. B's are always even. You can write here as B's are even. Right? Now draw a line like this. Let us say this is state number C and this is state number D. Okay. Now A's can be anything. A's can be anything. A's can be anything. But if you look at B's, B's are always odd. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B. So B's are always odd. B's are always odd. Okay. Now draw a line like this. draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. Now, B's can be even or odd. Here B's are even, here B's are odd. But if you look at A's, A's are always even. 0A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. 0A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, right? So this is even number of A's. Even number of A's. Now draw a line like this. Draw a line like this, right? Now you can see that 1A, 2A's, 3A, 4A's, 5A, 6A's. मतलब odd number of A's, है ना? So actually this final state falls in the intersection of this line and this line. This final state falls in the intersection of this line and this line. Then what can you say? You can say odd number of A's and odd number of B's. Odd number of A's and odd number of B's. Actually, you don't have to draw these two lines in the exam. Just draw this line and this line. That will be sufficient. That will be sufficient. Everyone understood this, or should I say anything more? Everyone understood this? Or should I say anything more? आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूं, टीओसी टफ है, सही है, टीओसी टफ है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊंगा, कभी भी इजी चीजें आपको लेजेंड नहीं बनाएगा. You will never become a legend by doing easy things. As long as you are in the comfort zone, you will never become a legend. Legends are those who come out of comfort zone and do extra work. If you are in a comfort zone, you will never become a legend. If you want to become a legend, come out of the comfort zone and do what everyone does not want to do or cannot do. Remember this, okay? Remember this. Okay, I will explain one more time. Just see this. I will explain this one more time. Let us say A is here. Let us say A is here. B is here. And A is here. A is here. Then C is here. D is here. A is here. A is here. And B is here. B is here. B is here. B is here. B is here and B is here. Okay. Now this is the final state, right? Now we are going to use a method called RBR method. This method is called RBR method. You will not find it anywhere in the internet or any textbook. Okay. What does RBR method say? Draw the horizontal lines and vertical lines. एक line ऐसा draw करना. Just draw a line. Okay. Now in this line, A and B are there. A and B are there. Now if you look at small a, it is even here and small a is odd here, which means a can be in this line. A is either even or odd. We cannot say anything. Sometimes a is even, sometimes a is odd. But then if you see b's, 0 b's will be here, 1b, 2b, 3b, 4b. Even number of b's will come into a and even number of b's will come into b. 0b, 1b, 2b, 0b, 1b, 2b, 3b, 4b, which means into A and B, only even number of B's are coming. So I can write even number of B's, even number of B's. If I draw this line, right, A's can be even or odd. See this, here A's are even, here A's are odd. 0A, 1A, 2A, 3A, A's can be even or odd. But then if you look at B's, B's को देखना एक बार. If you look at B's, B's are always odd. B's are always odd. B's are always odd. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, which means this is odd number of B's. Odd number of B's, right? Now draw a line like this. A and C are there. In A and C, B's can be even or odd. In A and C, B's can be even or odd. In A and C, B's can be even or odd. है ना? It can be even here, it can be odd here. 0 B's, 1B, 2B, 3B. So we cannot say anything about B, but we can say something about A. If you look at A, 0 A's, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Number of A's are even. We can write this as even number of A's. Anna. Now if I draw a line like this, see the A's. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. Matlab odd number of A's, right? Now this state D is intersection of these two lines. Intersection of these two lines. What are these two lines? Odd number of B's and odd number of A's. This is called RBR method. You are going to solve very complex questions in 10 seconds. I will give you very complex questions. You will solve those complex questions in 10 seconds using RBR method. Okay. Remember this RBR method. We are going to use it in grid machine. Actually, this machine is called grid machine. Okay. Later, I will show you very big grid machines which you will be able to answer very easily. Do you want to see the grid machines now? Just tell me, do you want to see the grid machines now or we shall see it later? Again, I have already explained it 2 times. Okay, I will not take it again. Okay, so odd number of B's here, odd number of B's. See this? Look at this line. B, 1B you come here, 2B's you go there, 3B's you come here, 4B's you go there, 5B's you come here, 6B's you go there. Right? Right? So the final answer is, the language is odd number of B's, odd number of B's and odd number of A's. Odd number of B's and odd number of A's. Odd number of B's and odd number of A's. Okay, fine. Now I'll give you a bigger question. You answer this question. Okay. Now I'll give you a bigger question. You answer this question. తెల్లవారితే కనురెప్పల తొలి మెలకువ నువ్వే, నా గుప్పెడు గుండెల్లో చిరు చప్పుడు నువ్వే, పొలమారితే నీ మనసుకి అది నా పొరబాటే, నీ పేరే పలకడమే పెదవుల కలవాటే, వెన్నెలలా ఉంటుందే నీ పక్కన చోటే, వేకువలా చూస్తోందే నువ్వు నడిచిన బాటే, ప్రాణాలే తీస్తోందే నీ ఊహలతోటే, నా మనసే నీదాయే వినదే నా మాటే, ఎవరే ఎవరే ప్రేమను మాయంది, ఎవరే ఈ హాయికి హృదయము చాలంది. This is too confusing. I will draw it in a big diagram. This is too confusing. I will draw it in a big diagram better. తెల్లవారితే కనురెప్పల తొలి మెలకువ నువ్వే, నా గుప్పెడు గుండెల్లో చిరు చప్పుడు నువ్వే, పొలమారితే నీ మనసుకి అది నా పొరబాటే, నీ పేరే పలకడమే పెదవుల కలవాటే, వెన్నెలలా ఉంటుందే నీ పక్కన చోటే, వేకువలా చూస్తోందే నువ్వు నడిచిన బాటే, ప్రాణాలే తీస్తోందే నీ ఊహలతోటే, నా మనసే నీదాయే వినదే నా మాటే, ఎవరే ఎవరే ప్రేమను మాయంది, ఎవరే ఈ హాయికి హృదయము చాలంది. ఓ ఓ నీ కళ్ళను పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కనులు. This is clear, right? చిందే నేసగలు నా ఊపిరి గాలికి ఉయ్యాలలుగుతూ ఉంటే ముంగురులు, అవి దట్టెసేయలా నిష్ఠూర్చవటే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలలు, సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలన. So, this is the final state. Can anyone answer what is this? Can anyone answer what is this? What is the language accepted? What is the language accepted by this grid machine? This is a grid. This is a grid machine. है ना? In the previous question also we have done the grid machine. Generally for grid machines they will not ask you. Generally for grid machines they will not ask you for regular expressions. Okay? For grid machines regular expression is not required. For grid machines regular expression is not required. Okay? For grid machines regular expression is not required. Okay? Use RBR method. Use RBR method to solve it. Use RBR method to solve it. Okay? What does RBR method say? You have to draw the lines. That's it. Okay? So, you have to draw the lines. Okay? I will draw one line here. Okay? And I will draw one line here. And intersection is the answer. Anna, now what does this one line say? B's can be anything. B's can be 0, B's can be 1, B's can be 2, B's can be 3, B's can be 4, B's can be 5. B's can be anything. But if you look at A's, A's are always A's are always, look at A's, 1, 2. A's are always 1, 2. है ना? A's are always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मतलब what are the A's here? 2 A's are coming. नहीं तो 5 A's are coming. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. मतलब A's और एस के बारे में क्या बोल सकते हो? ये लाइन में एस के बारे में क्या बोल सकते हो? नंबर ऑफ एस इन डब्ल्यू इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू 2 mod 3. इफ यू डिवाइड द नंबर विथ 3, द रिमाइंडर विल बी 2, है ना? रिमाइंडर इज 2 हियर, रिमाइंडर इज 2 हियर, रिमाइंडर इज 2 हियर, राइट? now if you see this line, if you see this line, what will happen? If you see this line, what will happen? You have to see number of B's. Okay, so A's can be anything. A's can be 0, A's can be 1, A's can be 2. But if you look at this line, look at the B's. B's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also same. 1B, 2B, 3B's. 4B, 5B, 6B's. 1B, 2B, 3B's. 4B, 5B, 6B's. मतलब if you look at the B's, the B's are 2B's or 5B's or 8B's, so on, right? Which means number of B's mod W is congruent to 2 mod 3. Is congruent to 2 mod 3. Okay? Number of A's is congruent to 2 mod 3 and number of B's is congruent to 2 mod 3. కుర్చీ మడత పెడదాం, మడత పెట్టేటప్పుడు మడత పెడదాం కుర్చీ. ఇప్పుడు అనవసరంగా మడత పెట్టడం ఎందుకు? మడత పెట్టేటప్పుడు మడత పెడదాంలే కుర్చీ. ఓకే, okay, fine. Do you want me to explain this again? Anyone wants it? Anyone wants me to explain this again? See, in fact, draw all the lines. पूरा lines draw करके देखना. एक बार पूरा lines draw करके देखना. What does this line say? ये line क्या बोलता है? A's can be anything, but B's are always zeros, है ना? Number of B's in W are congruent to 0 mod 3, है ना? Now in this line, A's can be anything, but number of B's are always congruent to 1 mod 3. Number of B's in W are always congruent to 1 mod 3. See this line is already done. See this line. B's can be anything, but number of A's are congruent to 0 mod 3, है ना? Number of A's in W is congruent to 0 mod 3, right? Now, if you draw this line, B's can be anything, but number of A's are congruent to 1 mod 3. Number of A's in W is congruent to 1 mod 3, right? So you can draw everything, but everything is not required. Okay? Okay? Why mod 3? Because if you see the numbers 2, 5, 8, what is the difference? Difference is 3. That is why it is mod 3. Even if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, it is repeating. 1, 2, 3, it is repeating. 1, 2, 3, it is repeating. That is why it is mod 3. Okay? I will tell you one thing. What is the full form of 𝐂𝐸𝐶S? What is the full form of 𝐂𝐸𝐶S? What is the full form of 𝐂𝐸𝐶S? Can someone tell me the full form of 𝐂𝐸𝐶S? Don't tell me full form of gate. Tell me full form of CS. CS is not computer science. CS is common sense. CS is common sense. Okay. Okay. Let's take a break for 3 minutes. Let's take a break for 3 minutes. After that, I will introduce you new questions. Okay. Let's take a break for 3 minutes. After that, I will introduce you new questions. Okay. Now let's do this question. Now let's do this question. Let's do this question. Sigma equal to A comma B. Sigma equal to A comma B. L equal to set of all strings starting with A. L equal to set of all strings W such that W starts with a A. W starts with a A. Open Telegram channel and write it in Telegram channel. Open Telegram channel and write it in Telegram channel. Open Telegram channel and write it in Telegram channel. Set of all strings that start with a. Very good. Almost everyone answered it. है ना? तो there is a traffic police. Either there is a traffic police. What is this traffic police doing? If a string is starting with A, he is sending it this way, right? And the string will be accepted. Starting with A, strings will be accepted. After A, any number of A's and B's, string will be accepted. If the string is starting with B, he will send it this way. If the string is starting with B, he will send it this way. If the string is starting with B, he will send it this way, right? And this is the dead state. Here there is a criminal. Here there is a criminal. Serial killer is there who will kill all the strings that come here. All the strings that come here. Anything starting with B, he will kill it. Okay. So this is the DFA. This is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA. Now what is the minimal NFA, guys? Now if I want the minimal NFA, you simply delete the dead state and it will become minimal NFA. You delete the dead state and it will become minimal NFA. Okay? So trust me. So last year, Sundar Pichai has announced that 20% of the code written in Google is by AI. 20% of the code written in Google is by AI. And he said that AI is going to write even more in the coming years. Therefore, for software developers, jobs will be becoming less and less. You should aim for becoming ML engineers or data scientists. Okay? You should aim for becoming ML engineers or data scientists. ठीक है? So what is the regular expression? You should always start with A followed by A plus B star. A followed by A plus B star is the regular expression. A followed by A plus B star is the regular expression. Okay. But one thing is for sure, my job is secured. No AI can replace me. No AI can replicate RBR. AI can replicate coders. AI can replicate software developers, but no AI can replace RBR. I am secured, my life is secured, my job is secured, my career is secured. No AI will replace me. Trust me, not AI, no person can replace me. Okay? Okay. Now, do this. Sigma equal to A comma B. Sigma equal to A comma B. L equal to set of all strings W such that W starts with a AB. W starts with a AB. Set of all strings W such that W starts with a AB. Which means you should start the string with AB. You should start the string with AB. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you, Lydia. So, you have to start this string with AB. You have to start this string with AB. Okay? You have to start this string with AB. Draw the answers. Give your answers in the Telegram channel. Give your answers in the Telegram channel. Give your answers in the Telegram channel. You have to start with AB. Kumaraswamy almost right, but you are giving NFS, huh? Everyone is giving NFS. Okay, let's go with NFA. Okay, very good. Most of you are answering it. Most of you are answering it. Prashant right. Soham right. Aniruddha right. Prakar right. Amit, you have given a wrong answer, but I can analyze that. I will see that. Okay. So Moni right. NRJ right. Kumaraswamy right. So everyone, almost everyone has given right answer. I will just answer this. So L equal to W such that W will be always starts with AB. NFA is very easy, है ना? I will draw minimal NFA very easily, right? What will I do? Minimal NFA. It should start with AB, and after AB there can be anything. After AB there can be anything, right? Now if you observe this NFA is trying to tell you something. Are you able to hear it? This NFA is saying something. Are you able to hear it? What is this NFA saying? I don't have multiple edges. You can convert me into DFA. Please convert me into DFA. This NFA is begging us. There are no multiple edges. What do I mean by multiple edges? If a state has two edges like this, on the same symbol, if it has two edges like this, we cannot directly convert it to NFA, but this NFA is saying that please convert me to DFA. Okay, let's convert it. How to convert this NFA to DFA? Whatever missing transitions are there, send them to dead state, which means add a dead state, right? And whatever are missing, B is missing here and A is missing here, which means strings starting with A and strings starting with AA are killed. Strings starting with A and strings starting with AA are killed, right? Or if you directly want to do it also, you can do it. Simple. What is it? You should always start with AB. Okay, I will start with AB and I will accept the string. I will accept this string, right? Now, if a B comes, I will kill it. If a B comes, I will kill it. Now, if a comes, I will kill it. After a B should come. If a comes, I will kill it, right? Now, what is the regular expression for this? It should be starting with AB, right? So, AB followed by A plus B star is the regular expression. AB followed by A plus B star is the regular expression. ठीक है? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ఉమా మహేష్ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. మనకి చాలా టైం ఉంది. ఈజీగా ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. డోంట్ వరీ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఈజీగా ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సిగ్మా ఈక్వల్ టు A comma B, L equal to W such that W contains a. W contains a. It can be in the beginning, it can be in the middle, or it can be at the end. But W contains a. W contains a. W contains a. Right? So it is very easy. W contains a can also be written as W contains a. W contains a can also be written as W contains at least one a. है ना? This can also be written as W contains at least one a. We have already seen this. W contains a is nothing but W contains at least one a. We have already seen the regular expressions. What is it? A plus B star, A plus B star, right? And also we have seen that it is B star A plus B star, right? And also we have seen that it is A plus B star followed by A followed by B star, right? Now for this, if you draw the NFA is going to be A comma B, A comma B, A comma B, है ना? And for this, NFA is going to be B, A comma B, right? And for this, NFA is going to be A comma B, A plus B star followed by A followed by a B star, है ना? So all these are NFAs and all these are minimal NFAs. All these are minimal NFAs, right? Now this one, the middle one is minimal DFA. The middle one is minimal DFA. We have given the regular expressions, we have given the finite automatas, everything, right? Sir, na CGPA తక్కువ ఉంది. Its effort in admission process 70 పెట్టుకో minimum. రామ్ minimum 70 పెట్టుకో CGPA సరిపోయిద్ది. Now answer me this question. Sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to W such that W contains AB as a substring. W contains AB as a substring. W contains AB as a substring. AB as a substring. I am from Guntur, Moral. I am from Guntur. Hi Lokesh, how are you? It's been so long, Lokesh. How are you? How are you, Lokesh? $60% సరిపోయిద్దమ్మా అభి. 60% సరిపోయిద్ది. AB as a substring. ठीक है? So draw the DFA and put it in the Telegram channel. Draw the DFA and put it in the Telegram channel. So remember one thing, when AB is used as the substring, there is no need of dead states. There is no need of dead states. ठीक है? So I think everyone is giving dead states. Everyone is giving dead states. I think one answer is right. No one has answered it right. Everyone is giving dead states. This one. Soham, you are right. Soham has given right answer. Only Soham has given right answer. And then Solo Monk has given right answer. Kumaraswamy has given right answer. Moni has given right answer. Gautam, your answer is not right. Okay, I will explain it, just see it. I will explain it, just check this. Sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to W such that it contains AB as a substring. So first thing is, you can do DFA or NFA or even regular expression. Let's write regular expression. What will be regular expression? AB star, AB, AB star. It contains AB as a substring. Now convert it into DFA, NFA. NFA is simply AB star is AB and then it is followed by AB and then it is followed by AB and then it is followed by AB. This is NFA. This is minimal NFA, right? Now, can you convert this NFA to DFA? You cannot directly convert because you need to apply algorithm. Why? Because there are multiple edges here. Now, if you see this is a transition going on A and this is a transition going on A. There are multiple edges. You cannot convert it by adding more transitions. If there are no multiple edges, you can add a dead state and for all the missing transitions, you can pass them to the dead state. But here you cannot convert it. Let's draw it from the basics, okay? So what should be accepted? The language should contain AB as a substring. What is the language, guys? If I draw the language, if I write the language, what will it be? AB, AAB, naito ABB, otherwise AA, BA, otherwise AB, AB, so on. AB, AB, so on. है ना? AB, AB, so on. Right? So, A has to be accepted, B has to be accepted, and after A comma B, anything can come that can be accepted, isn't it? Containing AB means A has to be accepted, B has to be accepted. After that, anything comes, we have to accept it. Now, here, if I get a B here, don't kill it. Why? Because after many B's also, a AB may come. If you see B and kill it, you are not going to accept this string. So don't kill it. There is a hope that in future AB may come. There is a hope that in future AB may come. Whenever there is hope, don't kill it. Okay. So don't kill it. There is a hope that in future AB can come. Right. Now, is it DFA? It is not DFA. Why? Because for this state, you told what happens on A, what happens on B. Now, for this state, you have told what happens on B, but you have not told what happens on A. Right? You have not told what happens on A. Right. So, let us see what happens on A. Let us name the states A, B and C, right? How did I come to B? By seeing many B's, and a A, by seeing many B's and a A, I came to B. After that, if I get a A, let any number of A's come. If I get a B, that string will contain AB, which means here any number of A's may come. After that, if a B comes, that string will contain AB, which means directly AB can come, or after AA, any number of A's can come and then a B can come, right? So that is how you design it. You understood this? Otherwise, if you didn't understand, I will explain it once again. Otherwise, if you understand it, good evening, Meghnad. Welcome to the class. Class is almost about to end. Ayush, I think TOC is completing by August 18th. TOC is completing by August 18th, I think. Okay. Now, sigma equal to A comma B, sigma equal to A comma B, L equal to W such that W contains A B A as a substring. W contains A B A as a substring. A B A has a schedule. See, my schedule is very hectic. I will tell you one thing. So, I will tell you one thing. In my life, I have achieved everything. I have enough money that I don't have to work. I have enough money that I can retire now. And even my 2-3 generations they don't need to work. But still I work. If you look at my schedule, you will be shocked. My classes are from 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I have compiler design, and then from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I have TOC, and then from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. I have TOC. Along with this, I do YouTube videos I do, right? See, God has created us by giving lot of music. There is lot of music inside us. That music, you should give it away before you die. Everyone in this world has lot of music in them. Don't die without giving away that music. I have lot of music in me. I want to give away all this music, right? Right? So that is why I work hard. I want to give away whatever I have learned. I want to inspire as many people as possible. What is the difference between motivation and inspiration? तुम कर सकते हो, कर लो, तुम कर सकते हो, कर लो. This is motivation. What is inspiration? I have achieved this. You become RBR. You too become RBR. Go to my LinkedIn and see what I have achieved, and you become RBR. This is inspiring. I live to inspire. I don't motivate. I am not a motivational speaker. Don't get me wrong. I am an inspiring personality. Okay? Okay? Okay, guys. W contains ABA as a substring. W contains ABA as a substring. W contains ABA as a substring. You can prepare for as much time as possible. There is no limit. You can prepare for as much time as possible, right? So ABA should be a substring. What is the meaning of this? A plus B star, ABA, A plus B star. है ना? A plus B star, ABA, A plus B star. Now you can directly write the NFA. You can directly write the NFA, which is minimal. What can you do? A comma B plus K. You can A plus B star. You can put A comma B, and then A, and then B, and then A, and then A comma B star. A comma B star. Okay. Now this NFA you cannot directly convert into DFA. You need an algorithm. Why? Because there are multiple edges here. This is a edge and this is a edge. There are multiple edges here. There are multiple edges here. My life story is going to be released. My life story is going to be released on Physics Wallah channel. Just watch it. You will be amazed. You will get inspired. My life story, I am releasing it on Physics Wallah channel. You will love it. Okay. So ABA has to be there. Now what is the DFA for ABA? So DFA for ABA is you are going to get A, you are going to get B, and you are going to get A, and you are going to accept it. ABA is accepted, and after ABA any number of A's and B's come, you are going to accept it. Initially any number of B's come, you will wait for A, and after A any number of A's may come, still it can be ABA, isn't it? 1A followed by BA is ABA, 1A followed by any number of A's followed by BA is ABA, right? Now let us name the states A, B, C, D, right? Now I have reached state number C. How did I reach state number C? By seeing a AB. Now if I see a I will accept it. What if I see a B? If I see a B, I have to again go back and wait for ABA. So if I see a B, I will again go back and wait for a ABA, right? And wait for a ABA. That's it. That's it. Wait for a ABA. Is it complete? Okay. Now answer this question. Now answer this question. Sigma equal to A comma B. Sigma equal to A comma B. L equal to set of all strings W such that W ends with W ends with A. Set of all strings W such that W ends with A. Set of all strings W such that W ends with A. You have to end with a W has to end with a right? So it is very easy to write the regular expression. What is the language? Ending with a matlab it will end with A, it will end with BA, it will end with AA, or it will end with BBA, or it will end with BAA. So it will end with A. It will end with A. Okay? It will end with A. Now, writing the regular expression is easy for this. Initially, there can be anything, A plus B star, it is going to end with A. Initially, there can be anything, then it is going to end with a. Now, drawing the NFA is very simple for this. Initially, there can be anything and it is going to end with a. Initially, there is going to be anything and it is going to end with a. It is going to end with a. Okay? Okay? NFA is easy, but you cannot convert this NFA directly to DFA because there are multiple edges. See this? A there is a edge is going here and A there is edge going here. So you cannot directly convert it. You need an algorithm. So without using algorithm, we will try to solve it. Okay. So what is the language? A has to be accepted. Okay. So A has to be accepted. Let us accept A. Let us accept A. Okay. Okay. Now any number of B's may come. I will wait for a and once I see a, I will assume that it is the last A and I will accept it. After that any number of A's can come, it is ending with A. B followed by A followed by any number of A's is ending with A. If a B comes here, I have to go back and again wait for a A. If a B comes here, I have to go back and again wait for a A. If a B comes here, I have to go back and again wait for a A. Got it? Got it? So let's just quickly, I will give you 2 minutes. I will give you 2 minutes of time. Write in the comments, how was the class? Give me my feedback, please. Give me feedback. Write in the comments, how is the class? Everyone, please take 2 minutes and write in the comments, how is the class? Everyone, please take 2 minutes and write in the comments, how was the class? Everyone, write in the comments, how was the class? Everyone, just one line. If the attendance of the class, I will continue TOC series only if there is very good attendance. Please share this word with all of your friends. My only request is, I am doing the course for free and I am spending lot of time and effort on this. My only request, I have one request to make you. Please tell your friends that a very good TOC course is going on YouTube and see that many people come to the class. My only request is, please spread a word of mouth to all of your friends and tell them that TOC class is going on for free, and even if they are not preparing for GATE, it will be very helpful for them in their career as well as in their semesters. Okay, please spread a word of mouth. Okay, for me, if you like my classes, please spread a word of mouth. Okay, thank you guys, thank you everyone. Let's end the class.